According to Statistics Canada, about 21% of parents with young children in this country are in a common law relationship. That's more than 5 times higher compared to the early 1980s. When it comes to cohabitating couples and blended households, there are financial issues that should be highlighted. Here to explain is Julia Fogarty, an associate with Shulman and Partners LLP. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for having me today.
This is a great topic because, especially during the new year, people take stock of what happened, what's to come. A common law relationship might be something either they've achieved or are looking forward to do. Maybe we'll start with, what is a common law union? Let's get to the foundation of it.
All right. So a common law union is where two partners get together and they end up living together over a period of time. And it's a relationship of some permanence, sometimes with children, sometimes without. So basically, it's a fully fleshed out relationship, just without the wedding ring.
Okay. Now, when it comes to liability, if the relationship sours, what can we look forward to in terms of liability when it comes to children, finances?
So in law, we have a lot of legalese. And Latin sentences.
Right.
I'll throw one at you.
Okay.
In loco parentis. And what this means is standing in place of a parent. So when you act as a parent, you become financially liable like a parent. So even though you're not married, even though it may be someone's child from a prior relationship, you could actually end up on the hook for child support.
So how can couples protect themselves? What should they be doing?
It's tricky because it is a very low threshold. You can't step in and out of decision making with children. You can't step in and out of that parental role. If you're a parent, you're a parent, right? So there's a whole legal test where they go through and they look at how you governed yourself, whether you acted as a parent, if you exchanged things like Christmas cards, birthday presents, if you went to their parent-teacher meetings, you showed up for soccer games, things that, a partner would reasonably do. You're not going to not get your spouse's child a Christmas present, for example. So it's a very, very low threshold.
Right.
One thing that people sometimes will try to do, though, is they will contract out of this using, say, a domestic contract, where they'll look to try and set out, I will not do these things, you agree that I will not do these things. I'm not acting as a parent, you are the parent. I am here to support you, I'm here in that capacity, but I'm not here to act as that parent. But even with that, there is still extreme liability. You have to be so cautious.
Right.
One thing that I like to tell my clients is we like to have this sit down and we go over these legal tests and we have a fully fleshed out conversation about the do's and don'ts, what to watch out for, what's okay.
So would this be similar to a prenup?
It is.
Okay.
Yes. So a domestic contract is like a prenup. The name changes slightly depending on when it's signed and depending on whether or not you're intending marriage. So a prenup usually is in face of someone who's about to get married versus a postnup after you're married versus a domestic contract, which is a relationship with maybe a future intention to get married, but no concrete plans.
Right. Where can viewers get more information? I got about 30 seconds.
Oh, okay. So they can check out our website. We have all kinds of articles that we publish all the time. All of the lawyers at the firm, we like to put these together, just kind of helpful tidbits for clients. Yeah. It is. It really is. I find that there's a real shortfall in knowledge sometimes, and the best thing that you can do for someone is you can educate them on what their rights are and what their exposure is. And you can always give us a call for a legal consult. We do those all the time.
All the links on our website as well, chch.com/morninglive. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thanks. It's always a pleasure.
All right. More Morning Live after the break.